have an interview with your classmates.
Trabaho sa guidance and counselor. Naka-work ko industry before, nindot man sad siya, pero murag lahi ra gyud once more kung kaan guidance and
So,
Anyway, me, personally, during that time after graduation, like, when you are a fresh graduate, no, so what's on your mind is job. So, when I was in college, it was never my intention, you know, work as a guidance counselor, maybe because we're not that exposed in counseling, given the fact that in our university, we don't have that established guidance office. So, wala yung giving na into that. But it so happened nga, by God's grace, naabot ko sa Cebu and then nag-hiring dire so moto naka-apply ko and then it so happened nga you're looking for a job so wala kay choice but wala gyud ang kuan nga mangita kag ganang akong ideal yun but sa ngalan lang nga ma-employ ka na it so happened nga it's not really an accident na but sa gayon pa ni Ma a while ago it's really fulfilling and yeah it's really true that testimony lang in the guidance center man good no kana you're working and at the same time you're also helping. Yeah, like it's a sort of a vocation and a profession at the same time.
thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
So all I really wanted yun after my graduation is to have a job which is in line with my course sa psychology. That is why I do not, wala ko nag-hesitate nung mo engage myself in the guidance and counseling in this profession. Somehow, because it's my passion when good to really deal with people. And then it's my passion good na to really help them out. Although, hindi pa ko yan naka-pro, pero ganang gusto na ko makita kong self na mas mag-grow po ano. Yeah.
okay. Ato lang yung balik sa sa inyong guidance and counseling mo katong characteristics of a good counselor. Okay, katagid na dapat naagad ka ato. Kaya it's so hard kung wala ka.
Yeah, same with ma'am. Siguro dumagan lang nimo gid like hard to serve. At the end of the day, it's a service man good. So you really have the heart for that good because yeah, it's not a one good high paying like that no. But if you really have the heart to serve, then okay na tiyan. Di na ito mag-split sa payan na dahil.
So, Miss,
Advantage is you are given the opportunity or the privilege to give life sa mga lifeless, hope for the hopeless, of which I strongly believe that not all professions has that opportunity. No, yeah, it's really a gift manggod nga you're able to give life sa mga down na kaayo, hope sa mga hopeless nga people, and yeah, it's really a privilege on my part. And the disadvantage is you cannot counsel yourself. Like, it's really hard for you to counsel yourself because gawas yung pagka-subjective that time.
so same kanina, Miss, you don't have disadvantages sa
Yeah,
as a
disadvantage.
What is this?
Yeah, you cannot counsel yourself.
Get
yes,
back
yes, sorry.
Nor your family member like that. Gawas yung
Bias.
pagka-subjective.
How about you, Miss?
Ako, it's more on personal because the very first reason na nag-stay longer with Kudiri longer than 1 year kami, no? And it's because it really
Spirit.
helps me a lot yun, especially sa personal growth. So it made me na to think maturely, to act maturely, due to natag ka ba mga counselor ka. So pag ang tao na kaya kasi mga counselor ka, sila ka. So somehow it's a challenge for me although I'm still young, I'm still 21. 21 na minsa.
Twin man good.
Twin. Pero kanang dili sila makatuo. Nana ko siya kay tungod sa among istoryahan ug sa among sa action. So mo na nga is yun personal development ang mas nakatabang sa ko. Di nga counselor. So disadvantage no wala pa kay
nga problem today kanang technology no.
Addiction.
Excessive lang yung engagement of students sa technology, especially sa kanang mga games. So far.
Thank you, Miss.
Same with ma'am.
Ang intervention program. So naman yung individual conferences sa students after midterm.
My case but in addition with ma'am kana for me I guess one of the hardest part is especially if you're still young and you're dealing with students like para mong age so marag lisod gid bitaw kay how to act maturely like sa office and outside the office how to remain a counselor even you're not wearing the hat of a counselor you're just a purely citizen of Cebu like ingana ba.
Yes, number one, kana implementation sa program. Naana mo yung program, na-implement din mo conflict po sa schedule baron gid sa university. So, dili gid siya nga na paspas bitaw mo deliver ka sa imong guidance services. Okay, so daghan pa ikag mga considerations. So, the support administration kay na gyud always just like unsa man ang mga things needed kay meaning kana the material resources provided reviewed kay so naa din ha however kana lang yun kay scheduling sa high manpower po kay dako gid kay ang population
Sa amo lang gid rin nga setup ni sa UC kana nagpa-enroll pa lang sila daan nakakita na sila og life coach. Okay, kaya ang life coach namo kanang or life coach together with one working scholar mag-distribute na sa list of guidance activities nga dapat attendan niya. So enrollment pa lang so naka-encounter na siya og guidance counselor. Okay, and then after that, i-begin gid sa class na apod may freshman interaction. So dito, isugod na mo og build ang among relationship sa student. So freshman interaction, it's more on giving them activities para maka-gain og friends ang bata at the same time makaila-ila pud no kung sa ini guidance center di ay kung sa ini ang mga tao sa guidance center. Okay, and then naapagid may room-to-room guidance campaign, another guidance center na po. So more or less, kana ang mga estudyante diri once makaila gid na sila sa guidance center. Okay, so for me, dili lang gid, wala lang gid dito, wa min dibigin sa relationship during sa counseling, but rather enrollment pa lang, misugod na to.
siguro kanang i-widen na gyud siguro ang kuan mo habit na foundation sa mga theories. Ayun pwede nga sa lang Carl Rogers gyud ka